Are you ready for a bone? Okay, good morning. That's for you. You gonna want that? That's for you. No, you can't have that, ma'am. No, no. That's only for Eeyore. Okay, you stay. You're gonna chew. Come on, go in there. Go in there. You chew that for a little while. Okay. You like that? Huh? With that? How about that bone? You gonna eat that bone? No? You eat that bone? Go get that bone. Good boy. Good boy. You want me to do it again? Oh, you want me to do it again, huh? Whee! Come on. Bring it here. Bring it here. Oh. Okay, let me try now. Let me try again. Okay, sit. Sit. I hope you're going to chew that a little bit. Oh, you're frisky this morning. You are frisky this morning. Yes, you are. Good morning. Good morning.